So Michael Swann's a good friend of mine, and he has become sort of the consummate pinstriper. In fact, he does all the pinstriping work for Barber Motorsports. This class I teach, this intermediate class, I like to expose them to work beyond the brush, and so we do some transfers and we do some stencils and whatnot. And I love having Michael Swann come and demonstrate pinstriping, which is a very special kind of brush and a technique that he's mastered. So Michael came to the class, did a demo, lectured on his gallery, his fine art, as well as his pinstriping. And then every student got a brush, a special brush, and they all got to demonstrate and practice it. Well, the students loved it so much that we just started bouncing ideas off. And I knew my colleague, Doug Barrett, had pretty much abandoned his truck down here at 2300 Studios. I knew Doug wanted to donate the truck to WBHM, so it seemed like the perfect time to kind of just go full steam into it. Michael designed a WBHM logo on the door that I'm sure you've seen, and the students are just embellishing around it. And WBHM is here, and they plan on auctioning it off and maybe putting it in front of their radio station for a couple days just to kind of advertise it.